In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Raya Money Transfer app to send money quickly and securely. First, download the Raya Money Transfer app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it. If you're a new user, tap Register to create an account by entering your phone number, verifying it with a code, and setting up your profile. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, tap the Send Money button. Choose the country you want to send money to and enter the amount. Select your preferred payment method, bank account, debit card, or credit card, and then choose how your recipient will receive the funds: bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Next, enter your recipient's details, including their full name and contact information. Review all the information to ensure it's correct, then confirm and send your transfer. That's it. Your money is on its way. You can track the status of your transfer directly within the app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.